Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and today I would like to show you how you can operate AppLock on this device. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now you need to select apps over here, go into AppLock and just turn on. Over here click on change password and select one of login methods for your apps by tapping on the chosen one. Then enter it and repeat it. When you're done, select next over here. If you want to add your Mi account, go with add. If you don't, tap on not now, wait 5 seconds and tap on not now again. If you want to lock all of those apps, just click on use app lock right away. But I don't want to, so I have to click on every one of those and choose use app lock then. Over here, select settings if you want to add your fingerprint, but I don't want to, so I will go with cancel. And now you can select apps that you want to lock. I will go with AliExpress and Call of Duty. So all I need to do is tap on the switcher next to those two apps, and when I go back and try to access one of them, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!